What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. We are going to be making this amazing looking marble cake. I hope you try it at home. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's go over our ingredients for today real quick. You'll need some salt, baking powder, 3 eggs, vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of milk, mala. You can use fresh, you can use natural yogurt instead, all-purpose flour, some unsweetened cocoa powder, prestige margarine, and sugar. So we'll mix all this up together and then we go on from there. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of margarine. You can use butter instead of margarine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cream this together until they're well incorporated. Then I'm going to go in with the eggs. I have 3 eggs. So at this point I'm going to switch to using a whisk. So just whisk those together. Make sure that they are very well mixed up and very well incorporated. This is a really simple and easy, and quick recipe to follow. Doesn't require much equipment. You can just use your mwiko if you don't have a whisk or a spatula. Then we're going to go in with our 1/4 cup of milk. Then this is 1/2 cup of mala, or you can use natural yogurt. Then you're going to add your this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then you just mix all that up together, and then you're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I've already put them in a bowl. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve these ingredients into the wet ingredients. It's important to sieve your dry ingredients because of these lumps that usually remain on the sieve. So just make sure you always sieve your dry ingredients. So I'm going to use my spatula once again. And as you're doing this, make sure you are preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So just go ahead and mix that all up together. I'm going to list all these ingredients in the description box so you can get the full list and measurements down on the description box. So once everything is fully incorporated, we're going to divide this batter into half. In this other mixing bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add half of this in here. And then I'm going to mix that all up together. So make sure that you mix thoroughly so that the cocoa powder is fully mixed in with the vanilla butter. So here is what you get after mixing. This is the chocolate one and this is the vanilla one. So I had already coated my tin with some margarine. You can use oil and some flour. So I'm going to alternate in putting these butters in. I'm going to start with the vanilla. Then you put in the chocolate. So just do this as you alternate. So you can use a knife or a toothpick or a skewer. So you just go ahead and make some patterns like this. So yes, we're going to bake these for around 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So how you check if your cake is done, you just insert a skewer or a toothpick inside, and if it comes out clean, like the way mine has come out clean, that means your cake is done. So I've been baking it for around 30 minutes and yes, I can see that it is fully cooked. So guys, the cake came out so good. It was so soft and delicious. Please try this recipe at home. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Till next time, bye.